Hello everyone, welcome back to Body Fitness. Today, I am going to share with you 4 effective biceps exercises that you can add to your workout routine for best results. Let's start with exercise number 1. Dumbbell Biceps Curl. Grab a pair of dumbbells, do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, and take a 60-second rest between each set. Moving on to exercise number 2. Cable biceps curl using an EZ bar. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps with a 60-second rest in between each set. Next up is exercise number 3. Preacher curl using a machine. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, resting for 60 seconds between each set. And finally, exercise number 4. Dumbbell Hammer Curl. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, taking a 60-second rest after each set. These exercises target your biceps effectively and will help you build strength and muscle in your arms. For more workout tips and fitness content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.